Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing well وإن شاء الله تكونوا بصحة وخير وسلامة. This is the class of Wednesday, the 14th of April 2021 for 8th grade. شباب وصبايا بعد ما خلصنا فقرة speaking اليوم إن شاء الله راح تكون بدايتنا مع فقرة reading part page 94 Royal Gardens. So زي ما بتعرفوا ببداية كل فقرة بقرأ لكم إياها على الفيديو وبعدين بنبلش بشرحها إن شاء الله والأناليسيس. So please تابعوا معي على الفقرة. طبعا أنا راح بقرأ فأنتوا تابعوا معي تمام، يعني هيدا بلش من العنوان وأنزل، فأنتوا افتحوا كتبكم واسمعوا معي النطق السليم للكلمات. Royal Gardens. Gardening helps tune you into many parts of your environment. One of the greatest benefits of gardening is promoting clean air. Just about any type of gardening is going to be helpful when it comes to clean air because gardening provides you with a way to clean the air around your home and in your garden, as well as to provide the earth with fresh air. Plants take carbon dioxide out of the air and replace it with oxygen. This means that your garden is going to allow you to help create cleaner air in general. You can create cleaner air in your home by having indoor plants, and you can also create cleaner air around you by having a garden. So, خلصنا أول فقرة، هلا بدي بلش من الثانية the earliest, okay? The earliest gardens were grown for practical reasons. People grew herbs or vegetables. However, when the upper class emerged with the wealth to enjoy purely decorative gardens, they had servants or slaves to do the gardening for them. By the late 13th century, the rich began to grow gardens for pleasure as well as for medicinal herb. I thought it was medical. Okay, medicinal herbs and vegetables. In the Middle Ages, gardens were walled both to protect them from wild animals and to provide privacy. هلا صرنا بهاي الفقرة. In the 20th century, there was a new movement in architecture and gardening called modernism. The modernists rejected copying old styles of gardening and advocated starting afresh using modern materials. Modernists liked gardens to be uncluttered. There are many famous gardens around the world that are scattered here and there, like Donnell in the United States of America, Jichang Yuan in China, and La Majorelle in Morocco. هلا بلشنا بالفقرة هاي، okay? Donnell Garden or Donnell. This garden in Sonoma was designed for the family of Dewey and Jean Donnell. Today, the garden is a modernist icon and one of the best preserved examples of its time. Completed in 1948, ببلش بالشق الثاني تمام يا جماعة. The garden was soon famous for its unusual abstract forms. Let me just focus. Okay, sometimes frequently. Frequently photographed, it came to stand for a modern style of California living that took place both indoors and outdoors, with fluid transitions between these equally important places. The garden fights the deterioration of our natural environment by maximizing the use of recycled materials كمان مرة. لاحظوا الاسم من يوز بحكي له يوز بالاس، اوكي؟ Jichang Yuan, China. This original 16th century garden in Jiangsu province is also known as the Garden of Ecstasy, thus promising much. This is a garden of illusion, occupying barely an acre but giving an impression of depth, breadth, and height. An artificial mountain in distinctive yellow rock appears to be a natural part of the hilly landscape surrounding the garden, and a decorous musical stream gurgles down it into a long pool, its many inlets creating a feeling of nature. The far end of the pool is dignified by the Bridge of Seven Stars. The garden was comprehensively restored in the 19th century. Last one. La Majorelle, Morocco. Created in the 20s by the painter Jacques Majorelle, the garden is best known for the distinctive cobalt blue color used for fountain bases, pool surrounds, and many other details. But blue is not the only color at work here. The ironwork, windows, and pots are bright yellow. Doors are apple green. Pots are red, pink, or blue, while purple can be found all around. Here is a garden which is a joyous celebration of the possibilities of paint. This place is really a photographer's dream. Plants are grouped, with the area near the entrance displaying a wide collection of cacti, and further in, palms, bamboo, and many other trees. There are water features with goldfish, turtles, and small frogs, their edges and fountains painted in the same color scheme as the pots. Benches invite you to sit and appreciate your surroundings, though competition for these can be fierce when the gardens are at their most crowded. And the sound of the bird song replaces the constant sound of traffic that dominates the rest of modern Marrakesh. اوكي، هيك بنكون خلصنا قراءة الفقرة، وإن شاء الله بالفيديوهات الجاي اليوم وفي الأيام القادمة رح نعمل analysis وشرح لفقرة Royal Gardens. Thank you.